Join me as I dive into the world of mountain beekeeping and try to uncover the secrets behind keeping bees thriving at high altitudes. In this video, you'll discover the secrets of mountain beekeeping and how it differs from traditional methods. Many beekeepers struggle with low honey yields and the impact of climate on bee health. It's a constant battle to keep bees thriving, especially in a world where environmental factors seem to be working against us. Mountain beekeeping offers a unique solution to these problems, and I'm excited to share some insights with you today. One of the main advantages of mountain beekeeping is the increased flow of nectar and pollen, which results in higher honey yields and healthier bees. But what exactly makes mountain beekeeping so special? In this video, we'll explore the specific techniques and strategies used in mountain beekeeping to achieve these impressive results. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to improve your own beekeeping skills and keep your bees thriving, no matter where you are. Mountain beekeeping is all about adapting to the unique conditions found at high altitudes. The most obvious difference is the elevation itself, which has a profound impact on bee behavior and flower availability. But it's not just about the height, the surrounding environment plays a crucial role in the success of mountain beekeeping. From the diverse range of flowers to the specific hive management strategies used, every aspect of mountain beekeeping is carefully designed to take advantage of the mountain environment. So, let's dive deeper into the world of mountain beekeeping and explore these techniques in more detail. Elevation is one of the most significant benefits of mountain beekeeping. At higher altitudes, the air is cooler, and the atmosphere is cleaner, which reduces the impact of pests and diseases on bee colonies. This, in turn, means that bees are healthier and more productive, resulting in higher honey yields and better quality honey. But elevation isn't the only advantage of mountain beekeeping. The surrounding environment also plays a crucial role. The diverse range of flowers found in mountainous regions provides a rich source of nectar and pollen, which are essential for bee health and productivity. By placing hives in these areas, beekeepers can take advantage of this natural abundance and create a thriving bee colony. Another key aspect of mountain beekeeping is the specific hive management strategies used. At higher altitudes, beekeepers need to be more proactive in their management techniques to ensure the colony remains healthy and productive. This includes regular checks on the hive, monitoring for pests and diseases, and making adjustments to the hive structure as needed. By taking a more hands-on approach, beekeepers can help their bees thrive in even the most challenging conditions. In mountain beekeeping, it's all about working with the environment to create a thriving bee colony. The key insight is how altitude affects bee behavior and flower availability, leading to richer honey flavors and higher yields. At higher elevations, the slower maturation rate of flowers means that bees have access to a more consistent and reliable source of nectar and pollen. This, in turn, results in honey that is richer in flavor and aroma, with a higher nutritional value. But it's not just about the honey. The altitude also has a profound impact on bee behavior, with bees becoming more aggressive and productive at higher elevations. By understanding these subtle changes in bee behavior, beekeepers can adapt their management techniques to get the most out of their bees. The combination of elevation, flower diversity, and hive management strategies creates a unique environment that is perfect for bees to thrive. And the results speak for themselves: higher honey yields, healthier bees, and a more sustainable beekeeping practice. Whether you're a seasoned beekeeper or just starting out, the techniques and strategies used in mountain beekeeping can help you improve your skills and achieve better results. To summarize, mountain beekeeping not only enhances honey quality but also supports bee health in challenging environments. By adapting to the unique conditions found in mountainous regions, beekeepers can create a thriving bee colony that is better equipped to handle the challenges of modern beekeeping. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on beekeeping tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.